This is Spud. He's a 5-month-old terrier, and we're going to make videos of Spud, ain't we, Spud? Hey? Say hello to the camera, hey? Say hello to the camera. He's a gorgeous little dog. Dead friendly as well. He loves meeting new people and other dogs. He's only small. There's my hand. He's a terrier. He's a lovely terrier. And this is why I've decided to make videos and call them Spud's Adventures, or the Adventure of Spud. Everything he does I'm going to record. Go for walks with words and all the rest of it. He's a funny dog. He gets up to no end of funny stuff. He's actually quite bonkers, you know. And that's Spud, right? Say bye-bye, Spud. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to all your fans. All your fans that you don't know of.